Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, October the 26th, 2010. Well, a change of trend today, and we have a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. It's been a few days since we had a change of trend to the downside. Previously we had a change of trend for one day, and then we had a very large green-bodied candle that changed the trend to the upside, a continuation of the trend. And the previous day's candle, we had a very small green body at the bottom of the candle, with the market testing the resistance area above 1191 with this very long shadow. Now, the long shadow represents downside price rejection. The market tested this area roughly around 1200, which is a round number. The market traded to 1195. And it's little wonder that the price was rejected from that area. It's a big level for this market, being a round number, so quite significant. The area at 1191 was also a previous area of support and resistance, and that area has held as well, with the market being rejected from up around those levels. We did find support at 1183, and for today's trading we can see that we had support there on the bottom of the candle and a small body roughly the same size. So the small body is telling us that the buyers in both cases has made a small amount of net bullish progress, certainly not enough to make us think that this market is really going places. It's a very small amount. But there is potential for a change of trend to the upside, with this market finding support down below 1183 and 1179 and at the Tenkan Sen at 1177. It tells us that the sellers lost commitment. So as the buyers lost commitment as they were trading up towards 1200, the sellers also lost commitment. So it's not the sort of candle that you want to start a new first time frame downtrend with. With the market closing up towards the high, it means that the bulls have closed the market in control. But as we've said, the bears lost commitment. The only negative really is that and it's not terribly a negative, it's more neutral, that the market made a green-bodied candle and a fairly small green-bodied candle. So it tells us that the bulls weren't terribly strong on the day between the open and the close. They didn't make a lot of net bullish progress. Now, just looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we are trading up above the cloud, and we are trading a fair way up above the cloud. So the market still is looking a little overextended, although both of the indicators, the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, have turned flat. Now, when they turn flat, especially when the Kijun Sen turns flat, price action tends to be attracted back towards there. So even though we don't have the short-term dynamics supporting the trend to the downside, there still is a possibility that the market may attempt to retrace back to the Kijun Sen, which is trading at 1159. So that is a very important level for this market. The market will need to test some very strong support, though, before it trades down around those levels. So 1173 is a strong level for the market, and certainly the area at 1163, which is held as resistance previously and is now held as support. So that's a big level for this market if the market does continue in the downtrend. Now, the market, besides being bullish in the long-term time frame because it's trading up above the cloud, is also bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames because we're trading up above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen. The market is also, the corresponding market action is down below the Chica span. If we look across here, this orange line, and that reinforces the bullish signals that we're getting with the other Ichimoku indicators. Now, way down below here, there is very strong support all the way down through to 1132 and then down to roughly around 1100, another round number. So very strong support all the way down. Certainly, the high of the current candle will be important for a potential change of trend and for the market to test 1191. But the low of the candle and the area around the support around 1183 and 1179 are important for the market in the day to come.